This is how you can make iPhone speak caller name. So what you have to do is to open up the settings app of your phone and scroll through the main settings menu as usual until you find Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri. You click here and you essentially want to scroll through the options a little bit again until you find announce calls. And when you tap on it, you want to make sure that this is set to always, which essentially means that this isn't limited to headphones, for example, or headphones and a CarPlay. But no matter what you do before the phone actually rings, it's going to announce the name and tell you who is actually calling. So for a lot of people, this is very useful, and you probably had it turned off before, so make sure that it is selected to always, and therefore you don't have to worry about anything. Of course, Siri also has to be kind of set up beforehand, but other than that, that's how it works. So definitely subscribe right now so you don't miss tutorials like videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.